Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from Etoro to your crypto.com. So it is very easy and quick process. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Now the first thing you need to do is open up your Etoro Money app, and you have to transfer the crypto from your Etoro app to your Etoro Money app first. If you don't know how you can do it, you can watch the video on YouTube. There are many tutorials available out there. So just search for it, and then you will be able to transfer your Etoro to your Etoro money. And once you have transferred the crypto, you need to open up your Etoro money app and then click on this crypto option from the bottom of your screen. Then from this list of cryptocurrencies, you have to select the cryptocurrency that you are going to transfer. On the screen, you have to click on this send, and after that you have to paste the wallet address from your crypto.com. So open up your crypto.com and then click on this accounts option from the bottom of your screen. After that, click on crypto wallet, and then you have to click on this transfer button, and from this pop-up window click on deposit, and from this list of cryptocurrencies select the cryptocurrency that you are going to receive in your crypto.com. So we are going to receive Bitcoin, so I will just select Bitcoin from here, and then you just have to select the network, and then you will be able to get your wallet address. So then click on this two sheet of paper icon from right next to your wallet address, this copy button, and then go back to your Etoro Money app and then paste the wallet address in this area, and then enter the amount how much you're going to transfer, and then click on send. And once you do that, your selected cryptocurrency will be transferred from your Etoro to your crypto.com. I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.